Alright guys, what is going on? Someone decided that we have to take out the B8.5 S4. So while we're out, we're gonna do some photos and I don't know, maybe get some videos. Might as well show a somewhat cold, 57 degrees. Not really a cold start. I'm in shorts, I gotta need to see it's gonna feel nice. I'll show you guys though. So it's really dirty, but it's not super loud. That's from, I gotta fix the, oh, it's hiding out here, the B5. So, but on a cold start, it's a little raspy. It's not too bad though. And it's also echoing in a garage. Sounds spicy this morning. But yeah, so we'll try and get some polls in. I think I have a review clip. If I do, I'll drop it right here. And now we'll cut to the polls. Good help is so hard.
I could fit so comfortably in here. Curl up down there. How much money to steal it? New whip.
The radar in for any of those.
Nice.
Yeah. I think I'm gonna drop you off this tunnel.
Where am I supposed to stand?
Somewhere where you won't get hit, so on the other side of the road.
Matt, what?
You gotta like, just stand in the inside of the tunnel, like right there. Ready? Just on the other side though.
No, I'm gonna get killed.
You're definitely gonna get killed on this side, so go on that side. You're the best. Love you.
I'm all alone. I'm not scared at all. Totally normal. Normal Sunday with Matt. I don't want to record random cars either. And these people are probably like, what the fuck? That came out good. I think some rando's gonna like pull over and try to kidnap me. And he's taking forever. But okay, bye.
Gotta put the sunnies back on. Say hello.
Hi.
Just out here getting some photos for the website. And just your daily reminder. Can I see those ones quick? Gotta make an ad. Gotta make an ad. I'm being, yeah. See, that's the thing is once you get used to these, you never want to take them off. This is a Beyond Tinted sunglass, and it is so dark. Like, you can literally just look up at the sun. I don't recommend it, but you can. I don't know, nice sunny days, out doing photo shoots. Can't even see the screen through these things. But yeah, just a reminder, check out beyondtinted.com. See you guys there.